Okay, so I am starting with a session on how to access Taylor and Francis ebooks. So I want to tell you that with VTU Consortium, all the affiliated colleges of VTU, the faculty, researchers, library team members, and students have access to Taylor and Francis ebooks and journals. You just need to access it either through your library VPN or if you have any library portal through which you can access, or you can write it to your institute library if you do not have the access or if you're not able to find the access, and they can help you with the login credentials. There is no separate login for each and every different member or each and every different institute. There is just one process to access it, and which is very easy. You have to access your content, your e-content, by your institute VPN or your institute portal where you have the access to all the ebooks and journals. Okay. For ebooks, you have to simply type onto Google or on your VPN portal, that is www.taylorfrancis.com. Please note this link, www.taylorfrancis.com. Also note this can be a part of the quiz as well. Okay, so if you want to win exciting prizes, please note my points carefully. Now I'm clicking on here. Oops, my internet played here. Let me just type it again, www.taylorfrancis.com. Yeah, I'm sorry for the technical glitch. Now this is the ebooks website. Taylor and Francis eBooks is a single destination platform with ebooks in science, technology, engineering, medical, humanities, and social science. It includes a librarian dashboard, which provides quick access to MARC and KBAT reports, usage data, entitlements, and much more. Researchers have a single point of discovery for ebook content, multiple search options, and more. Access to the platform will allow users to search ebook content at both the book and the chapter level. Filter search results by subject area, publication date, and year published, and create citations in APA format. I want to tell you that there are close to 125,000 ebooks available at Taylor and Francis eBooks platform. VTU Consortium has access to 4,900 plus ebooks with the Taylor and Francis. They have, I'm again repeating myself, VTU has got 4,900 plus ebooks from Taylor and Francis for their faculty, researchers, and all the affiliated institutions. Okay, now I'll begin with how to search an ebook. This is the search bar, which you can see here. It says TNF ebooks and search for keywords, authors, title, ISBN. Here, you need to simply type on a link, type a keyword. Suppose that you are currently studying cloud computing. I am picking up one word here. Okay, you can also message me in the chat box if you want to see ebook for any particular subject or topic. Now I'll click on cloud computing here and let's see what are the results. So here you can see there are close to 1,800 plus ebooks are available with Taylor and Francis, which are directly on cloud computing only. Now, VTube subscribed the ebooks in 2019 from us. They're again renewing the ebooks and they're working on the collection, what more titles they need for the library, but things are still in discussion stage. And now still you have these ebooks available with you. Once you would be into your institutional dashboard, you would be able to see the licensed content. So once you have searched any keyword here, like I typed cloud computing, you have to see on the left hand side, it says content I have access to. So first you have to click on licensed content. Upon clicking the licensed content, you will see the titles or the ebooks which are available in subscription already to your institution. So this number of ebooks, 1800, can go down and could show you approximately 300 ebooks that VTU has access to. I'm just taking a random number here. Okay, this may vary. Now, what to do when you have found a book? So suppose that you have access available to this cloud computing book. You have to simply click on the title name. Also, another sign. In case the book is available to your institution, this will show you this green mark, green tick mark. This means that you have access to Taylor and Francis ebook, particularly this ebook. Okay. Now let me click the cloud computing book. And this kind of page would appear. Please note, for every ebook, there is a dedicated page on eBooks website. For every book, there is a dedicated page on ebook website. Okay. In this, you will see that this style of page would remain same for all the ebooks that you have access available. For every ebook, whether you have access or not. I'm sorry. So now here you can see that first published year. What is the ebook ISBN? Total number of pages, subject. Subject matters a lot because if you're a computer science faculty or researcher, you can see here clearly that to which all subject it falls into. Okay. Now, suppose that, this is a book which you can read, and from the abstract, you can check whether this book is relevant for your research purpose or not. For every ebook on that dedicated page, you will see abstract clearly. So here you can read, okay, fine, it covers networks, virtual machines. It also covers on object storage and all. Okay, now this ebook is really relevant for me. So I can continue with the reading. Now here you can see the chapters being covered in this book and part wise. Okay, so I want to read about virtual machines. Either I can read about the abstract of that particular chapter, which is listed here, and I can go ahead. Okay, no, this is not relevant to me. The topic is relevant, but particularly this abstract I'm not looking. I mean, this kind of chapter I'm not looking. Okay, let me see virtual networks. Now I can read about the virtual networks. What is given here? It includes VLAN, VXLAN, and NAT technologies, which is relevant to me. Now what I can do? I just simply need to click on download button. Please note, once you will click on the download icon, the chapter would be, this particular chapter would be downloaded on your machine, means on your desktop, whatever device you're using, that would be downloaded there in less than a minute. Depends upon the internet bandwidth, but within a minute, the chapter would be downloaded. So I have enough network bandwidth right now because I'm working from office. So within few seconds, the chapter is downloaded. Now I'll open the chapter and you can see the entire chapter is listed here. It is downloaded into a PDF file and it's total of 10 pages. Okay. Here figures, detailed chapter, proper diagrams and images, what exactly this figure is all about. Everything is explained very well and in detail, the way it appears into a print book. Okay. Now, what is the benefit of downloading a chapter? You can maintain your own library, your own folder in your system. So suppose you are in semester 2 and you are studying computer science, and especially cloud computing is your one of the research paper. So you can download the chapters of your choice from different books and you can create your own repository. So you don't have to come again and again on the website to download your chapter. But if you're most welcome to visit and search more and more content, the more and more you will visit the ebooks website, you would be able to explore much more improvised content, what all topics being added, what all new books are being coming. You can refer to your institute. So that is the benefit. So keep on researching your content requirements on Taylor and Francis ebooks. It's very useful, it's very friendly and very, very easy to search. Okay. Now I'm going back on the search results. So suppose that this particular book is most relevant for my course or my chapter, and I feel like, I don't need to research on any other book. So what I can do, I just need to simply click on the download here on the right hand side bar. This will download the complete ebook within few seconds to 1 minute. Notice the speed. Within few seconds to 1 minute, the complete ebook would be downloaded. And it is saying currently that it's a 5.2 MB file and only 13 seconds are left. Let's see. Meanwhile, I want to also tell you, you can also read online this book. It is listed here. Either you download the complete ebook or either you click on read online. Okay. And here you will also get the related books. Suppose I have searched the cloud computing book. Okay. Now you want to know more on the cloud computing. So basis my previous research or basis my previous search results, the website shows me the other relevant ebooks which are relevant for my research purpose. So essentials of cloud computing, enterprise cloud computing, user-centric and centric networking. So these are also the suggested ebooks. Okay. Now see, the book is downloaded within within a minute, and this is the cover of the cover of the book. So the complete book of 288 pages are downloaded on my system, and I can start studying it. And here the best part is that the topics, the way it is listed in a print book, the topics with the subtopics are also listed here. So that's the beauty and benefit of the ebook, that it is in a clear format the way you need it, so that you don't have to search for bits and pieces. And the complete ebook solution is provided by Taylor and Francis. And here we go. The first chapter starts from here and it is going, and you can see that the clear images are being represented here. Clear graphs, clear style of writing. Chapter 2 is starting and all. Okay, I'll not take much time here to show you the all 28 to 88 pages, but I just wanted to tell you that this is how the product looks like. Okay, it's very easy to operate. It's very easy to search and very convenient to read. You can create your own library on your system, but keep visiting the website as well so that you can find more relevant content for your reference. Now I'll go back onto the search results. Okay, now I have explained you that how a how a book page looks like, how you have to download the content. Now in the left hand side, now pay attention here please. In the left hand side, suppose you want to study computer science or cloud computing book, but you want to study something into computer science only. Okay, now the page is showing 1800 plus books. Okay, but you want to pick up ebook only in the computer science category. So it is showing that 693 ebooks only on cloud computing relevant to my research requirement, which is just in computer science. So I'll click on computer science. And here are the results. Okay, total 693 ebooks. Now I can select any ebook, whatever I need to study. Further, again, you can narrow down your research requirement. Within computer science, these are the subtopics of cloud computing, which I can narrow down my research and can use the topic of my choice. So suppose that I need cloud computing within databases. Okay, you are studying accordingly, cloud computing plus databases. I don't have any ebook in this segment. Okay, now some other area, suppose in artificial intelligence. Okay, some 80 plus ebooks within artificial intelligence with the combination of cloud computing are listed here. Now, the most relevant ebook for my research segment is Big Data Analysis for Green Computing. Okay, I am sorry, I am not from engineering background, but I am using a combination of keywords to share with you. But if you have any specific subject on which I should show you the results, then please message me in the chat box. I would be happy to do it for you. Again, a same dedicated ebook page for every book. All the titles are listed here. all the chapters are listed here. I would like to click on this particular chapter, performance analysis for provisioning and energy efficiency distributed in cloud computing, mostly written by the Indian authors. Click on download. And within few seconds to 1 minute, again, the chapter is downloaded here. See, and it is given that these authors are mostly from the Indian universities, and all the universities' names are also listed here. And just see the clear image description as it's used in the printed book, clear graphs with clear explanation about the figures, clear formulas so that you can read it thoroughly about this particular subject whenever you need for research, all the graphs, all the images, all the content, and the references. References at the end of each chapter are listed here. Okay. Now I'll go back to the search results. Again, just see here my results for the related books are changed. Now I'm more into the big data analysis plus cloud computing related area. So my results are changed here. It is now showing me blockchain related titles and mostly by the Indian authors. This is the algorithm of the website. Okay, so you will not face any difficulty. In fact, you will get the best of the suggestions for your research requirement. And that's how we are enabling that our website functions pretty well for everyone whoever is coming on the website for their research requirement. This is really quick because this helps you in identifying the most relevant content and most quickly so that you can do your research within time and with proper results. Now, I want to show you one more filter that you can add to your search results. Suppose that you want to know what is published in last 3 months, because I want to use the most relevant content which is published very recently. So I can pick up the publication date from here, and let me click only in the last 3 months. It is showing that in last 3 months these are the 65 most relevant ebooks on cloud computing being published by Taylor and Francis. So what is more trending now? That you can see here: cloud security, cloud computing for smart agriculture and healthcare. And you know that government is focusing on higher education, on agriculture, on healthcare, but Taylor and Francis is on the top. We are publishing the most relevant content which any university across the globe is needed. Okay, so this is how you can filter down and narrow down your search requirements so that you can do your research in time. Now, another unique feature I want to tell you. You remember in the beginning, I typed this word cloud computing in the search bar, but now I want to click on advanced search, where advanced search helps you. You can type on the title here. Suppose you know already that which ebook you want to study. You can just type your title here. And suppose you don't know which title you want to study, or you don't know the title name, you can enter the author name if you know, and if you don't know both, then no worries. You just need to enter the keyword. Now, I want to study something in healthcare. Okay, but you are engineering student, you are engineering community, you might be thinking that why we should study healthcare. Maybe you already have that research subject also, but let me add a keyword here. Now, I want to study big data role or big data and healthcare sector. Probably you might be working on some related subject or research area. Okay, I'll just enter into search. You can add as many keywords you want and get the results of the combination for your research purpose. Now I got 185 results here. That is, you can see exploratory data analytics for healthcare. It's more related to computer science, engineering and technology division, medical big data and Internet of Medical Things. These are trending subjects, are the most used accessed content nowadays. Lots of institutions across the globe are working on it. So I'll just click on this particular title, Exploratory Data Analytics for Healthcare. Again, the results remain same dedicated page for this ebook as well, and you can download the chapter as per your requirement. Okay. Now, another thing for your reference, I'll just be very quick now. Suppose you want to also search on the, you want to search as per the subject. You just need to click on the subject here, and all the subjects in which we have the ebooks are listed here. Suppose that, in the 4900 plus titles that you already have access to, now you want to get the ebook in some other area. You can just go on to any division here. Let me just go on to mathematics and statistics, and you can shortlist the ebooks as per requirement. We have close to 4,000 plus ebooks in mathematics and statistics division. Again, you need to click on the license content if you are accessing from your institution dashboard, or you can talk about the include forthcoming books, or you can pick the titles from published in last 3 months, in last 12 months, or whatsoever. Or you can also pick by author, who are the most published authors with Taylor and Francis in mathematics and statistics. So it is given here. Okay. Now I want to show you that you, beyond available content, you can also access the open access content. I am sure you all are aware now by open access. So this, within mathematics and statistics, these are the open access titles, and the sign of open access is this A. Okay, always remember the sign of open access is this A, be it with Taylor and Francis or be it with any other publisher. Now I want to click on this particular book, Gauge Theories in Particle Physics. Benefit of open access books is that, okay, in this, I am sorry, let me pick another book. Okay, here it's not given only as the chapter wise. Here the complete book is given here. You can just need to click on download icon, and it will be downloaded within a minute on my system, and here it is ready. It's 979 pages book. It's very heavy book, and here all the chapters, subtopics, subtopics along with the page numbers, everything is given here in detail. You can pick what you want to read and just go on. For open access content, you don't need any license. You can just simply directly access through the website, through the taylorfrancis.com ebooks website. Suppose that this is, you want to quickly check how I can go on and find open access related to my subject. You can also go on browse. Here you can see ebook collection, ebook series, open access ebooks. Please remember, just need to click on icon browse, ebook collection, ebook series, and open access ebooks. Once you will click on the open access ebooks, this is how the results would appear. Close to 1300 ebooks are available in open access format, and you can pick up your topic from here. Suppose you want to study in the STEM net base, means related to STEM, and HPC big data, handbook of marine model organisms, and so on. Whatever you want to study, you can just click on any topic, any particular book, and you will have the results. I mean, you will have that dedicated ebook page in front of you, and you can start downloading or you can start reading online. Okay. Benefit of studying online is you can create your citations from here. Okay. And the last part that I want to share is, suppose that during my explanation, maybe I was a little fast, or maybe I could not deliver what you want to know. But always there is a ready reckoner for you on taylorfrancis.com. That is what's new. Click on this icon, what's new, and you will have answer for every question coming to your mind when you're browsing the ebook. So if you get stuck anywhere, don't feel like you where to find and how to find. Just click on this icon, what's new, and here you will find all the topics. So suppose that the most common question we get, why am I unable to log in? Then simply click on this question, why am I unable to log in? You will have the answer here. how to access the content on Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, wherever. Okay, then how do students gain access to content? Click on this question and you will have answer for your question here. Okay, so suppose you face any challenge, you can just click on what's new and you will be into the window to access your content. Now I'll go back on the home page. And you can also browse by any particular topic, any particular subjects that we have. You can also follow us on Twitter. You want to get in touch, you want to follow our pages, everything is given here. And most important thing, and the last part of my training is, you want resources, how to access the content for students and researchers. You need to click on this tab. And if you're from the library, you need to click on this tab. You will have more detailed answers and helping points for accessing content on your institutional access. Please remember, please scroll down the end of the page. And if you have more queries, click on students and researchers or click on libraries and institutions as per your division and start accessing the content. Okay. I hope I have tried to explain my level best. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. And if you have any question, please type into the chat box and I would be happy to assist you.